Hello, this is Greg. This is a demonstration video. I am going to maybe sell these little boards, depending on what y'all think, about whether you think it's a good idea or not. If you do, give me a thumbs up. This is a little Zener Diode voltage test board. I designed this, or I created this because I didn't want another piece of equipment to test the voltage of the Zener diodes. I just wanted to use my own meter. So I have my multimeter set to DC volts. It is, let me see if I can move this scope back just a little bit here. And I just have the blank wires right here. So you want to kind of make sure, don't short anything out. But the power goes in here, and the probes are hooked up here. It's the same ground. And here's how it works. Let's give it a little motion there. I have my power supply set for 36 volts, 200 milliamps, and it's turned off right. That's where it's set at, but there's no power yet. And we'll turn on the multimeter, hook up the diode, and push the button, and 15 volts. As a verification, I have this little LED tester, which works excellent for testing the voltage of a Zener diode. You reverse the leads on it and turn it on here. Can we see that here? Yeah, it's at 300 and goes right down to 15, 16, and it'll keep building up juice. I think they both will. But there is a quick and easy way to test your Zener diodes without having to buy some other piece of equipment. You can leave them on the leader and slip them on, turn on the power, and 32, 31, 32, and this came out of a 33 volt bag. So, like I said, if you think this is a good idea, I'm not asking you to buy one. I'm just saying if you think this is something that would make life a little easier in your shop, give me a thumbs up so I'll know one way or another whether I should put some kits together and try and sell them. So, thank you for your help, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.